It's about to get very busy in the weather center as an active weather pattern moves across the country this week. Here's a look at the latest watches and warnings from the South African Weather Service. This is for gale force northwesterly winds. It's a warning near the southwestern Cape Peninsula, but a watch for the winelands of the Western Cape. There's also a watch for a high fire danger across the northwestern interior of the Eastern Cape. Runaway fires are possible within that region. And a watch for uncomfortable weather along the KwaZulu-Natal coast as well as parts of the Eastern Cape coast. Hot and humid conditions predicted this Tuesday. Our latest satellite loop looks fine and dry at the moment, but broadening this out to include the Atlantic Ocean, you can see a very expansive area of cloud cover. There's a series of cold fronts set to impact the country from Tuesday to Wednesday and Thursday, allowing for our first real taste of winter across the southwestern Cape. Here's our latest futurecast. Sunny, warm to hot across the eastern two-thirds of South Africa, but cold and very windy weather will develop across the southwestern Cape, along with the possibility of heavy rain late in the day. Hot conditions, however, from East London to Durban and Richards Bay. Speaking of KwaZulu-Natal, here's your forecast in detail. Hot and humid conditions for your Tuesday. Along the coastal areas of KwaZulu-Natal, 34 degrees for Pietermaritzburg, so a hot day for you as well. 36 near Mthatha, 34 degrees for East London. You factor in the humidity and it will feel rather uncomfortable for the coastal regions of the Eastern Cape. A bit more cloud cover will actually keep your temperatures in check near Port Elizabeth. And the further west we travel, you can see how these temperatures start to cool down a little bit, with the exception of Swellendam, still a bit on the warm side. However, we're anticipating rain to develop, especially near the southwestern Cape Peninsula and the city bowl of Cape Town from midday, and it will become heavy overnight and into your Wednesday morning. Dry along the west coast for most of the day, but showers building late in the evening. Will stay dry throughout the border of the Free State and the Northern Cape, with sunshine dominating your forecast from Bloemfontein to Harrismith. No problems near Welkom, breaking the 30-degree mark. A similar forecast across the northwest. Mahikeng, 33, Rustenburg, nearing the lower 30s as well. We're expecting fine and dry conditions throughout the entire Limpopo province. Temperatures nearing 30 degrees to slightly warmer across the Limpopo Valley. Skukuza, 33, Mbombela and Mkondo both at 30 degrees, upper 20s across the Highveld, and a nice day predicted across the Gauteng province. Johannesburg, you'll reach 29, Pretoria 31, Soweto 28. A blustery northwesterly wind for the western half. We also have a moderate to fresh northerly component to the wind for Richards Bay and stretching towards Durban as well. Your extended forecast, cold, wet and windy across the southern Cape, but still very summer-like across the northeast until Thursday, with rain settling in and cooler temperatures.